Hello everyone, and welcome to the Milesight AM series installation and calibration guide video. Indoor air quality, IAQ, is the ultimate metric for health and efficiency, and the placement of your device directly determines the accuracy of your data. Are you still worried about unclear device installation locations or encountering erroneous readings? In this video, we will guide you step by step through clear operational demonstrations to correctly install and calibrate the AM series sensor. Before you begin, please ensure that your installation tools and accessories are fully prepared. The AM series products support quick installation via 3M adhesive tape. They also support installation with screws. If you choose the more secure screw installation method, please prepare a screwdriver, an electric drill, a pencil in advance. Before we start the equipment installation operation, choosing the correct installation location and environment is crucial. IAQ sensors should be installed at a location that represents the actual human breathing environment. The optimal installation height is usually around 1.5 meters from the ground. Remember not to install the device upside down. Ensure the device's orientation is correct to avoid affecting readings. Now that we know the ideal spot, how many sensors do we actually need? Let's discuss deployment density. A single sensor can only accurately detect a single point. It is recommended to deploy several representative points. For clearly partitioned rooms, such as company offices, one sensor per room is usually sufficient. For unpartitioned public areas, it is recommended to install one sensor every 20 to 30 square meters. For areas requiring quick response or important monitoring, the distance can be shortened. It is recommended to add 1 to 2 extra sensors. Beyond placement and quantity, a key physical requirement is ensuring proper air access. Specifically, we should ensure the device's ventilation holes are not blocked. IAQ sensors usually have ventilation holes at the bottom or sides. During installation, ensure the holes are unobstructed, otherwise it will affect the accuracy of the data collected by the sensor. To accurately capture gas concentration in the space, the sensor should be installed in an area of the room where air circulation is relatively stable and there is human activity. We must also actively avoid two major sources of environmental interference. The first critical source of interference is strong airflow. Do not install the sensor near doors, windows, air conditioner vents, or ventilation ducts. Strong airflow can dilute CO2 concentration and may cause TVOC readings to fluctuate. The second critical source of interference is heat. Keep away from devices that generate heat, such as heaters and refrigerators. Temperature deviations can affect all parameters, especially temperature and humidity readings. In addition to the points mentioned above, if your device is an AM300 series model, be sure to avoid the following factors that may affect TVOC readings. The TVOC sensors are very sensitive to volatile organic compounds. Please keep away from cleaners, disinfectants, sprays, newly painted surfaces, or organic emitting equipment such as printers/copiers, to avoid falsely high readings. First method, adhesive mounting. Simply attach the back panel or fixing plate using 3M adhesive. Then, install the device onto the plate. If you require a more robust fixation, or for specific device models, we recommend screw mounting. For the AM100 series, installation for this model involves 4 steps. Step 1. Separate the sensor host from the back panel. Step 2. Fix the back panel to the selected wall position and mark the screw hole locations with a pencil. Step 3. After drilling, insert the expansion bolts and use screws to firmly fix the base to the wall. Step 4. Align the sensor host with the back panel for installation and secure it with fixing screws. For the AM300 series, there is a dedicated mounting bracket. Step 1. Fix the mounting bracket to the selected wall position and mark the screw hole locations with a pencil. Step 2. After drilling, insert the expansion bolts and use screws to firmly fix the base to the wall. Step 3. Align the sensor with the mounting bracket for installation and secure it with fixing screws. AM series sensors support NFC configuration. Use the Milesight Toolbox app to quickly set parameters or network connection information. The accuracy of carbon dioxide detection may be affected by shaking during transportation. and different baseline values and environmental humidity will also affect the detection results. AM series sensors support auto background calibration function. Turn on this function and ensure the device has regular ventilation in the days following installation so that the device can better learn the baseline value. You can also put the device in an open outdoor environment for more than 10 minutes and click manual calibration button to calibrate the CO2 value. If your device is an AM300 series model, please note that the TVOC sensors require a warm-up and self-learning process after first power on. Ensure the device automatically acquires the environmental baseline value in a well-ventilated environment for 48 hours and not to turn it off during that time. Finally, ensure the sensor screen display is normal and all parameter readings are stable after initialization and calibration. Congratulations! After learning the above knowledge, you can start your on-site installation. And thank you for watching. Please follow us for more IoT informations.